So since this is the last episode, we are doing something special, which is the pore care product, since it's highly requested from most of you guys. So let's move on to it. To start off, we have some of the cleansers and toners to recommend since it's the first few steps in your skincare routine. So here we have COSRX and Believe. So we'll start off with the COSRX products first. So we have the COSRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser here, and most of the COSRX products, they are famous for their pore products because they contain BHA, which can help to clean the pores from inside and also controls excess sebums. I've been trying out for almost a year now, and I would say that this cleanser is actually very good after you remove your makeup, but it's actually quite drying. So what you can do is, after cleansing, you can actually use up with this toner. So this is how the texture looks like. It's more of the cream-like texture. So now I'm just gonna lather it with water. For me, my skin is actually more of a normal to combination skin. So actually this is to cater for most skin types, so you don't have to worry too much that it might be sensitive on your skin. It actually smells really nice. It smells very calming. So after cleaning your face, you can actually use the 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid Toner for your skin. So why is it recommended? Because it contains BHA as well, which can help to tighten the pores and controls the excess sebum production. So it's a bit watery. You can actually gently just pat it and spread it around your skin, or you can use a cotton pad. So we have a Hermo exclusive products which are from the brand Believe. So Believe is actually another brand which is very famous in taking care of healthy pores. So for this rose scrub cleanser, they actually have micro bead ingredients which can help to exfoliate and also clean your pores. So after using the rose scrub cleanser, you can actually pair it up with their rose toner and essence. So now I'm going to try out the rose scrub cleansers up close for you to see. So I'm going to try it out right now. So as you can see that it's more like a gel-like texture, and from here you can actually see the micro beads, but I don't think it's very visible on the camera. Oh, it claims to have soap-free formula, so you see there's no foam even though I lather it for a few times. It's very gentle, so you don't have to worry that it might drag your skin. So after using the rose scrub cleansers, I would say that the micro beads actually works very well. It's actually very small, so it doesn't scratch your skin, and it leaves my skin very smooth and silky right now. And if you're someone that likes that rose scent, I would say that you would enjoy this kind of product because the rose scent is actually quite comfortable and it's not overwhelming. Actually, there are a few things that are special about this product. First, it exfoliates. Second, it actually brightens up your skin. And third, it's actually a soap-free formula. So as you can see just now when I was lathering it up, it doesn't foam up anything. Actually, after you wash it off, there's a tinge of rose scent which is actually very comfortable for the skin. So after using the rose scrub cleansers, it's actually recommended to use their rose toner essence. So for this rose toner essence, actually helps to brighten, tighten pores and also reduce blemishes on the skin. So what makes this toner essence a bit different from other toners is that the texture is a bit more thicker than the rest of the toners. So same goes to this, there's a tinge of rose scent which is very comfortable on the skin. You actually don't need much for your entire face, just a few drops will do. Next, we have a cleansing oil which is Shu Uemura Skin Purifier Pore Finish Anti-Shine Fresh Cleansing Oil. So this product is actually to target oily and acne prone skin because it has ingredients that is anti-inflammatory that helps to gently exfoliate the skin. So the last product we have here is a sheet mask, which is from the Faith in Face Missing Pore Mask. So as we have mentioned in the previous episodes, that hydrogel mask is actually very suitable for sensitive skin because it has calming ingredients such as aloe vera extract, which is why for this episode we highly recommend a sheet mask like this because it can help to calm your pores and tighten it at the same time. We have come to the end of this episode and we hope that you enjoy the pore care products that we have recommended and hope that it benefits you. And also we have come to the end of this season. I hope that you enjoy the series that we have brought up, so you can feel free to let us know what you'd like to see in the future, and I hope to see you guys again soon.